Look who's still here. Look who's still here. We're watching. Yo, all this time I thought it was Mona, but apparently it's Moana. Stylish. Yes, so we're watching Moana. And it's like, what time is it, Divi? What time is it? 3:18? Yes, 3:18. I shouldn't even have Divi up at this time. Divi bedtime. Alright, when we're done watching show, Mommy could kill me, I'm pretty sure. Dija gonna sleep. Bummer. And she didn't want to watch Moana, you know. But we're like 20 minutes in or so. And it's really good. Like it, Divi? You like it? Me actually hate musicals, whatever music shit. Music. You know, they sing along business, they may not like it. But yeah. Anyways, just checking in with you guys. Bye bye. So guys, I'm taking this one home today, and he's sad. Don't be sad. What are you sad for? I have school tomorrow. I don't want to go to school now. No, no. Me either. I don't want to go to school. Anyways, guys. Say bye. Tell him bye. Stop it. You're too dramatic. Anyways, later, guys. I go home to my mother and she gonna make me fish. Cause guys, I don't know if I tell her, but I kind of give up chicken feelings. So, my mother fish for me. So yeah, I'm excited for that. Cause I don't know me like fish. I like seafood in general. Alright? Alright guys, we're gonna know for real. So guys, we're picking up Tati's balloons for later. These are here. That's Severin. Yeah, in the party store. Yes. Let's go. We're going to the place where Tati's staying now. Let's go. Not sure one and them good, yeah. We can't afford it. Yes, guys. So that's what we're doing. We're going to hang out with them a little bit. Shit. Yes, so we're going to hang around with Tati and Tanya and Brody. Who else? Tyrell. Yeah. A little bit. Yeah, Tanya and Lily. Yeah, Tanya's there. Oh. And we're going to dinner later. So we have a quite eventful weekend coming up. Insane up on the side team over there, so I guess. What else? Oh, we're going to a breakfast, something, I don't know, Soca to the sunrise, one night to morning, one, I don't know. Yeah, so we keep you updated on that. I hope so, you're not vex. You're not vex. Okay. Say hi. So guys, we're at Ode, the place where Tati is staying. Yeah. Just chilling, catching up.
She went inside.
Yeah, she went to go shower, I think. I just had to take advantage of the lighting. Watch this one here. Watch him. Yeah, guys. Oh, guys, I got my nails did in country when I went to Santa the other day. I'm gonna leave a lady name right here, so. My mother did I pay for it, so I did have to. I did have to do it.
Take a little free meal.
Yeah. Yeah, them chrome. They look really nice. Just got these goodie bags for my birthday. One from Tati, one from Tiffany, and one from Nini. I'll link their channel below. If you follow me on Snapchat, you know who them because me always post them shit. I don't know which one of them are from who though. But yes guys, I really like them. I'm excited to use them. So excited. Thanks guys. So cute. Me happy.
Still out with 1:30 to finish, get ready.
I don't know where I'm going. I wrote them thing. Oh.
No, just I remember the girl that was about
Everyone look thick. Oh, hard fit.
Hard fit. I watch YouTubers when they come.
It's hard for not looking at camera by yourself though.
Look by yourself. Oh! Play one time for the birthday.
That's just me on. Waiting to leave out right now. Yeah, I can't wait to go eat some food. My belly hungry. You look nice. You look cute. You're very little.
Yes.
Your waist small also. That you want small waist also. Yeah guys, so that's what we're doing. So when we get there, there's some backdrop I dropped down. You see that? I have to get some new one. Whatever. Yes guys, so DJ over here. Ready? Yeah. Anyways, good night. Well, Soca. So guys, we're at crew waiting on Tati to come. Watch you? Yes, so we'll wait for them to come. We'll go upstairs right now. So yeah.
That girl looks good. Hey yo, hey yo, hey yo, hey yo. Hey yeah, hey yo. Hey yo, hey yo, hey yo, hey yo. You're my kind of girl. Hey yo, hey yo, hey yo, hey yo. Hey yeah, hey yo. She's got class and style, street knowledge by the pound. Baby never act wild, very low key on the profile. Catching feelings.
So guys, we're here with a subscriber. Her name is Peter Gay. And she has a channel, so you guys should go and check out her channel.
Pizza Gay Lifeline.
Alright, I'll leave it on the screen. DJ's over here. She's my light man tonight. Yeah, so we're waiting on Tati to come. I'm gonna order my food. Yeah, come on hungry. So yeah, we'll just stay here, chat and stuff.
Wait, what?
So guys, we just got Tati the blowjob shot. Really big. The biggest one me ever fucking see.
Exactly.
It's huge.
Woo!
Yes, bitch.
Not bad actually.
Look at my girl.
Ah, there it is.
Wow.
Another blowjob.
Yeah.
A smaller penis.
It's not smaller. A smaller is not available.
It's a European dish.
Oh god.
It's
Oh,
white penis.
It's still backwards again.
It's not the black one or what?
Oh god, the penis here stuff.
Yeah, that should be easy. Yeah, that should be easy. Yeah? Take it easy, even if it is not easy. That one is easy. Yeah.
Number one, too big and broad.
That
Too
I don't
small.
Mom, I'm sorry. It's
That one is too small. Right?
Alright. Who's gonna stop this one? Listen, I don't even do this in real life. This is for the vlog.
You don't do it in real life.
No, not at all. No. Why would I do that? Yay! Okay. Let me make my wish.
Happy birthday, dear Tatiana. I'm here.
Tatiana.
That's
Tatiana.
my cousin.
Happy birthday to you.
Oh my God, where are the candles at?
Right?
Look how they.
That's what we've been warning you about.
Hello.
Ready? 1, 2, go. So let me cut it.
Where you
Tell, she
from?
can tell, eh?
What?
Tell
Me,
us
I'm
that.
from Belgium.
So what? I'm from
What's
New
your
York.
name?
Brian.
I'm from
Brian?
New York.
Yeah.
Okay,
I'm
Brian.
from New York.
Where are you from?
Right here, Jamaica.
Right here, okay.
Yes.
What's your name?
Nizam.
What?
Nizam.
Nizam.
Mhm.
That's a special name.
It is. Very nice.
Thank you. Hi guys.
Why we near love so much?
I don't know. Let me turn on this a little bit. So guys, we're trying to get Olana in a soca mood. Because Olana does not listen to soca. Like, why if you not listen to soca? Oh.
We listen to dancehall and
We listen to dancehall too and everything else.
we can dance to soca.
Can we not dance to soca? We just jump up.
Listen, stop it. Can you go to go wine and sit?
Then you can't win.
No.
After you're not paralyzed. After you're not paralyzed. People like me see me sure no 60 share wine out her little waistline a girls night out. Whatever video something
You see
name.
how me did stiff? Me not go embarrassed.
It really no matter.
It matter.
We just go there go have fun like.
Me went off beat. You never said me did I went off beat.
Me don't know what I'm to wear, you
I feel
know.
like a wicked. I'm hungry.
You
I'm
hungry
chips
too.
there.
So, what?
I don't need 2 shots before.
Yeah man. You're gonna take all 3. We normally take shots. She gonna need some shots before she go. People tell her so we normally take shots. Like no, but me don't understand why my teeth and the fucking shirt are same color.
Me too disgusting. I feel too extra. Right? We couldn't be friends if your teeth and the shirt.
No, seriously, I don't feel like my teeth and shirt the same color. Almost no. Alright, maybe a wall. Yeah, me tired for hear myself talk about my teeth. Me need to go whiten them. Or that. Or that Twinny tell me if you do. Yeah guys, so Tati ditch you today and gonna brick jam and so and so. So we just stay chill. Get some soca in our body. We're going to party 2 a.m. 2 o'clock. Yeah, so we soon go ready and so. Oh, what time of night now? After 8? Yeah.
And me makeup need for Antoine tonight.
Why me not understand why I need to do your makeup and paint or you not go to go dance?
I want my face to big, I want frosting, I want sparkle, I want glitter, I want everything.
She said she wants her face to be frosted, glitter, sparkle. Yes, bitch.
Everything I want.
Okay, girl, I got you. So hi guys, we have Alana here, Sasha, Dija. Come Alec, come Alec. Can't go all the way around this, right? Alec. And we're going to take shots. We have a full house tonight. Oh, true. Yeah. So you can come in our frame, please. Thank you.
So you're not cheers too?
Yes, you got you.
But she needs to have backhanded cheers.
Right? Oh, we are
And I have
cheers
to bring
to.
it too.
Cheers to a good fucking night, my nigga.
Yes, and morning.
So guys, we're going to Soca till sunrise and it's like 2 o'clock right now. And I think this finishes at about 6:30. Yeah. Hear the foot them do. When? So guys, we're there. Jutina over there. Jutina finally there. Say hello now, please. Make a little noise, no?
Jesus
The people them know.
Christ.
Alright, that's Jutina.
You know, I go come off now.
Pinch off your lash.
Jutina have some technical difficulties on the face over there, so I like want to go in bed, tired, working person, 9 to 5.
9 to 9.
9 to 9, my bad.
Yeah, but I see him.
Alana,
Alana,
she wants to show your
hungry.
face, no?
I'm
Okay.
hungry.
Alana is hungry.
Then you can get nice 4 nice girls.
No, we're not sure about nice, but you can get 4 girls.
Who got the one they couldn't even run because she have fucking 1 foot.
Oh, guys, one girl over here is up on her cast. I don't know if you can see. Right there, so. You know, she got fit. Where your song says city? Yes, the city could burn down. So, nothing can look over. No. I applaud her still, cause, you know, YOLO, also. So, yeah, that's what we're up to. I wait for one bus to come for me, blah, 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 blah. Annoyed.
Last name ever, first name greatest. Like a sprained ankle, boy, ain't nothing to play with. Started off global, but that's all the haters. I know G4 pilots on a first name basis. And you see they made it on the ground. Nino.
Anybody have a cup in your hand right now? If you have a Pepsi cup in your hand right now, raise it to the sky. Raise it to the sky. And put it in and push it back. And put it in and push it back. And put it and push it back. And put it and let's show me, let's see you. Let's go, let's go. I find some ladies doing some 5 past 6 something like that. They can't tell you time, man. Roll it. Let's go, hey. Whoa, whoa. Yum. Who gets inside me tonight? Who gets inside me?
Into a cute for me, so
Frank, I bet you never see the treasure queen look so much. Let's go, let's go!
Champion boy, get it on!
Champion! Let's do it! Champion!
Then where you going from? Where you going from?
Article family big up!
So guys, we just come off of the boat. We're going on with shuttle bus. We go back home.
7 minutes after 8.
Due to our being shaky, worry I'm car with. Jutina knockout.
Me don't know.
Dija knockout. Alana. Run.
Me alive though.
I like just wake up. Anyways guys, see you next week. No, my voice gone. See you next week. No. See you next week.
See you next vlog.
See you.
Can't talk now.
So you have to go.